Have you ever wondered what makes Slovenia a must-visit destination? Nestled in the heart of Europe, Slovenia is a treasure trove of diverse cultural experiences and stunning natural beauty. Here, the sun-kissed Mediterranean meets majestic alpine peaks, while the gentle Pannonian plains blend seamlessly with the mysterious karst region. This is a place where you can explore the bustling city life, wander through charming medieval towns, or lose yourself in the serenity of untouched nature, all in a single day. In this video, we'll journey through Slovenia's top destinations, from the vibrant capital city of Ljubljana to the enchanting Lake Bled, the awe-inspiring Postojna cave, the medieval Predjama castle, and the coastal gem of Piran. Each location offers a unique slice of Slovenian culture, history, and natural splendor. So buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey through Slovenia, a small country with a big heart. Welcome to Ljubljana, the vibrant capital of Slovenia. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this charming city is brimming with captivating sights and experiences. Start your journey in the beautiful old town. As you wander through its winding cobblestone streets, you'll find yourself surrounded by an array of pastel-colored Baroque and Vienna Secession-style buildings. In the heart of the old town, you'll discover the iconic Triple Bridge, a unique architectural masterpiece that comprises of 3 bridges spanning across the Ljubljanica River. Next, make your way to the historic Ljubljana Castle. Perched high above the city, this imposing medieval fortress offers a fascinating glimpse into Slovenia's past. Explore the castle's tower for a panoramic view of the city that's truly breathtaking. No visit to Ljubljana would be complete without a stop at the famous Dragon Bridge. Guarded by 4 fearsome dragon statues, this striking bridge is steeped in local folklore and is a symbol of the city. Legend has it that the dragons wag their tails when a virgin crosses the bridge. Beyond its stunning architecture and rich history, Ljubljana is also a thriving cultural hub. The city is alive with a vibrant art scene, hosting numerous festivals and events throughout the year. From contemporary art exhibitions to traditional folk performances, there's always something exciting happening in Ljubljana. And let's not forget about the food. Slovenian cuisine is a delectable blend of Mediterranean, Alpine, and Eastern European flavors. In Ljubljana, you'll find a plethora of mouth-watering dishes to try, from hearty stews to delicate pastries. Don't miss out on tasting potica, a traditional rolled pastry with various fillings, or kranjska klobasa, the world-famous Carniolan sausage. Ljubljana, a city where history and modernity coexist, is just the beginning of our Slovenian adventure. This enchanting city, with its blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair, is a testament to Slovenia's diverse and captivating allure. Next stop, Lake Bled. Next stop, the enchanting Lake Bled. This gem of Slovenia is a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Nestled amidst the Julian Alps, Lake Bled's azure waters are a sight to behold, surrounded by lush greenery and snow-capped peaks. Taking center stage in this picturesque panorama is Bled Castle. Perched atop a steep cliff, this medieval fortress stands guard over the lake, a silent testament to the region's rich history. It's more than 1,000 years old, making it the oldest castle in Slovenia. The castle offers a breathtaking view of the lake and the surrounding landscapes, a vista that's worth every step of the climb. Now, let's turn our gaze to the lake's heart, where the charming Church of the Assumption resides on an island. This quaint place of worship, with its Gothic frescoes and a bell tower rising into the sky, holds a special place in local lore. It's said that if you ring the wishing bell in the church, your dreams will come true. No visit to Lake Bled is complete without a ride in a traditional Pletna boat. These unique gondola-like boats have been ferrying visitors to the island for centuries. As you glide across the crystal-clear waters, you can admire the lake's beauty from a different perspective, making for an unforgettable experience. And of course, we can't forget the gastronomic delight that is the Bled cream cake, or kremsnita. This local specialty, with its puff pastry, vanilla cream, and whipped cream layers topped with a dusting of powdered sugar, is a sweet end to your Lake Bled adventure. Lake Bled is more than just a beautiful destination. It's a place where every view is a painting, every moment a memory. From the towering castle to the charming island church, from the gentle Pletna boat rides to the indulgence of a Bled cream cake, each element adds to the magic. Lake Bled, with its fairy tale charm, is a sight to behold and a memory to cherish. From the tranquility of Lake Bled, we journey into the depths of Slovenia's underworld at the Postojna cave. Venture with us as we explore the mesmerizing magnificence of the Postojna cave, the largest karst cave in Slovenia. This labyrinth of tunnels and chambers, stretching for over 24 kilometers, has been shaped by the Pivka River over millions of years. Every inch of the cave is a testament to the power of time and nature, with stalagmites and stalactites forming grand sculptures of stone. But it's not just the grandeur of the cave that leaves visitors in awe. The Postojna cave is also home to a unique array of creatures, the most famous of which is the olm, or human fish. Don't let the name fool you. This blind amphibian is a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to life in the darkness of the cave. With its pale, almost translucent skin and fringed gills, the olm seems like a creature straight out of a fairy tale. As we emerge from the depths of the Postojna cave, we find ourselves at the foot of the remarkable Predjama castle. Seamlessly blending into the mouth of a cavern, this fortress is the world's largest cave castle. For over 800 years, Predjama Castle has stood guard over the landscape, its imposing structure a stark contrast to the soft curves of the cave behind it. The castle's history is as fascinating as its architecture. It was once the stronghold of the notorious robber baron Arazem of Predjama, whose tale of defiance against besieging forces has become a local legend. Today, visitors can explore the castle's chambers and secret tunnels, each echoing with stories of the past. Postojna Cave and Predjama Castle, a testament to Slovenia's natural and architectural wonders, are a must-visit. This perfect blend of nature's artistry and man's ambition reveals the heart of Slovenia's enchanting allure. So come and discover the mysteries hidden within these ancient stones and shadows. From the depths of the earth, we rise to the sun-kissed coastal town of Piran. As if plucked straight from a Venetian postcard, Piran's architectural beauty is a testament to its vibrant past under Venetian rule. The town's narrow, winding streets are lined with charming old houses, their terracotta rooftops glowing under the Mediterranean sun. At the heart of Piran is the Tartini Square, named after the famous violinist and composer Giuseppe Tartini. Once a bustling fishing port, the square is now a grand open space surrounded by elegant Venetian mansions. The square's marble-paved expanse reflects the town's rich cultural heritage and its connection to the sea. Elevating our gaze, we find the Church of St. George, perched on a hill overlooking the town. Its bell tower, often compared to the famous St. Mark's Campanile in Venice, offers a breathtaking panorama of Piran and the Adriatic Sea. From this vantage point, the town's terracotta rooftops, the sparkling sea, and the distant horizon blend into a singular, stunning vista. But Piran is not just about the sights, it's also a culinary paradise. The town's seafood cuisine is a delight to the senses. Freshly caught fish, seasoned to perfection and cooked in various ways, are a staple in local dishes. The sea's bounty paired with the town's culinary traditions make for a gastronomic experience that lingers in the memory. And who could forget the renowned Piran salt? Harvested in the traditional way from the nearby Sakovlja Salina Nature Park, this salt is a precious symbol of Piran's centuries-old salt-making tradition. It's not just an essential ingredient in the local cuisine, but also a testament to the town's enduring relationship with the sea. Piran, a charming coastal gem, completes our Slovenian journey with its serene beauty and rich culture. This town, with its Venetian architecture, delectable seafood cuisine, and the famous Piran salt, is a breathtaking finale to our adventure. It's a place where history, culture, and natural beauty converge, leaving us with an unforgettable impression of Slovenia's coastal splendor. Our journey through Slovenia's top destinations reaches its conclusion. We've taken you through the vibrant streets of Ljubljana, with its unique blend of historic charm and modern flair. We've marveled at the tranquil beauty of Lake Bled, a slice of heaven that seems to have been lifted straight from a fairy tale. We've ventured deep into the mysteries of Postojna Cave and Predjama Castle, where history and nature collide in the most fascinating ways. And finally, we've soaked up the sun in the charming coastal town of Piran, a gem on the Adriatic that's full of life and culture. From bustling cityscapes to peaceful nature retreats, from deep intriguing caves to sun-kissed coastal views, Slovenia offers an array of experiences that cater to all kinds of explorers. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Slovenia, a country of breathtaking beauty and rich cultural heritage. Until next time, keep exploring.